Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's this little baby here. It's from a company called HOSOME and it says it's a natural energy lamp. Feel more refreshed and energised, enlightens your winter days. That's what it says on the box. So I'll read out a bit on the back for you. It says up to 10,000 lux, which is quite a lot by the way. 3 colours, or 3 light colours that is. Touch control, full spectrum light, stepless dimming, USB powered, UV free LED, countdown timer and compact design. So we're going to have a look at it in a second. Well, I just want to say to you, why would you buy one of these? Well, as it's coming up for winter and it's autumn and it's raining right now, as it's coming up to winter and you feel a bit down or you want to sit and read a book or something, my wife's often reading books sitting in the other room while I'm out here filming and stuff, and sometimes it gets a bit doom and gloom. So this will help you, or allegedly will help you feel better. Hopefully it will anyway, because she's going to get it. So with that, I'll quickly show you around the box and then we'll do the unboxing. Nothing to see on the sides, and that's about it really. See that? Right, so let's get her undone. Let's see what you're going to get for your money. Oh yeah, costs about £40 and I'll stick a link in the video description below. They're nicely presented. It says Wholesome. It's got a thank you card in it. It's got Facebook, looks like Twitter and Twitch. Thank you for your purchase. We really appreciate your support. So that's nice. Obviously an instruction manual. Light therapy lamp user manual. That's what that says. Right, comes with a USB, and looking at that, I reckon it's about 1.5 meters long. So it's a USB to a mini USB. So the mini USB would be to power it up. Has a plug. So that would be a plug for plugging in your USB, and a little gadget connection. Should be quite easy. Oh, that was easy. That was easy. So it's got a little locking mechanism on it for unlocking it, and it's just a little tiny twist. That was it. That was really easy. So there's your USB. So you plug the USB into that. Let's get out the actual device itself, the light. So this is not battery powered, it's mains powered only. All plastic, feels all plastic. Looks quite nice, nicely done. It's got a button on the side. Oh right, the button on your side is your timer. So it says 10, 20 and 30. That's on the side. I don't know if it's a separate button. I would imagine it is. We will read the instructions just to make sure. But yeah, it looks quite good. And a nice little stand on the back, which I just assume you just pull out. Yeah, you do. So quick look. Yeah, sits there quite nicely. Yeah, looks right, doesn't it? What we're going to do is quickly plug it in before we read the instructions, and we'll see what it looks like. So I plugged it into my desk underneath, turn it on. Jesus, that's bright. You have to hold it in, I believe, and it goes down. I've had a quick read of the instructions as well. So yeah, so there's just your white light, which is, you know, it's not too bad. And then you've got different colours. You just tap it. There's only 3 different types. There's white, this colour, and more orangey colour. And then it's back to white. Oh, it's off. And then it's back to white. Oof. And so to adjust it, you hold the button in. If you want it to go brighter, you hold it back in again, and vice versa. So it might take a few seconds. If you want to just turn it off, just press it once. It should go off. Or go through the cycle, turn it off. Let's have a look at the timer, see how that one works. I'll turn it down a bit. That's quite nice. And the timer, I'm assuming, oh yeah, just tap it. 10 minutes, 20, 30. And off. So that's really easy to do. So no rocket science there. Turn it off. Yeah, quite good. I don't like it when it goes fully bright though, straight away. Well, it does wake you up, doesn't it? So good for reading, good for if you're going to be doing something like sewing or anything like that, or you need a bit of light where you're doing something that's really tiny, you need just a bit more daylight, you could use it for anything like that. Yeah, I think it looks alright. Alright, I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions just in case I've missed anything, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've had to read in the instructions, and I'm glad I did really, because there's some important information in there. They haven't just told you how to turn it on and how to adjust the light and all that. There is some safety features in here. I think it's very important that you read it, and also how to set it up so that you get the best benefit out of it. And I'll give you an example. It's called a device pre-test, and I'll just read out one paragraph. To help determine your degree of sensitivity to light, we recommend that you perform this pre-test upon the first use of your HOSOME light therapy lamp. And when you read it, it's quite clever what they say in there, because there is some warnings on it as well. And they explain to you how far you should have it away from you, within a certain distance. You don't have to have it exactly at, a certain distance, but within a variance of a certain distance. How to test the light that's suitable for you, because everyone's different. They spent a lot of time not just making the product, but doing the manual for it as well. And I was quite impressed with that manual. Reading it, I just thought it was going to be, this is health and safety, electric shocks and all that stuff. This is how you turn it on, turn it off. But they've gone into a bit more detail, which I think is excellent. I was quite impressed. I mean, that's a manual, and they've really gone into it and done their work properly. So I'm really impressed with that. So back to the light itself. It's got 1.5 metre cable. Might have preferred a 2 metre cable personally, but it is quite long. It suits, it fit on here easy. My wife sits in the living room. She has a plug that's quite nearby, and you can always get an extension lead as well if you needed to. It's easy to use, like so. Turn it on, it goes full brightness to start with. You can change colour straight away, turn the brightness down easily just by holding the button. The timer on the side was easy to use. It doesn't need no rocket science, does 10, 20, 30 minutes just by pressing the side button. I thought that was easy. I thought they were going to put it all on the same button, but they haven't. They've done it all on one. So yeah, it costs £40, so it's not cheap, but if it makes you feel better at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, isn't it? So it gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. So I hope that I've helped you out in determining whether or not you want to buy it. But I do strongly recommend that if you do buy it, you read the instructions first. Very good information in there. Well worth a read, and you'll get the best benefit out of it to suit you. So with that, thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.